The Battle of Two Sisters, fought on the night of June 11, 1982, was a key engagement during the Falklands War between British and Argentine forces. It was part of the larger assault on the defensive positions surrounding the Argentine-held capital, Port Stanley. Two Sisters, a twin-peaked ridge west of Stanley, was heavily defended by the Argentine 4th Infantry Regiment under Major Ricardo Cordon. The British attack was carried out by 45 Commando Royal Marines, led by Lieutenant Colonel Andrew Whitehead, as part of a coordinated offensive alongside other British units attacking nearby Mount Longdon and Mount Harriet. The British troops advanced under the cover of darkness, facing machine gun fire, artillery, and mortar attacks. Despite fierce resistance, they used well-planned flanking maneuvers and close-quarters combat to dislodge the Argentine defenders. After several hours of intense fighting, the British secured both peaks by dawn on June 12th. The victory at Two Sisters helped open the way to Port Stanley, leading to Argentina's surrender on June 14th. The battle demonstrated the skill and determination of British forces in overcoming well-entrenched defenders and played a crucial role in ending the Falklands War in Britain's favor.